Are large open pores getting in the way of your smooth skin goals? If you're tired of that uneven texture, don't worry, I've got the solution you've been waiting for. In today's video, we're talking about one of the most effective remedy to shrink those pesky pores. Let's start the recipe. Take fresh orange, remove the peel. Chop the peels into small pieces. Pour 2 cups of water in a boiler. Add these small pieces of oranges in this water. Heat the water for 5 minutes. Steam for a few minutes more. Then let it cool down, strain the water. Now transfer this water into spray bottle. Spray it on your face 3 times daily. It will help to shrink large open pores. This will protect skin from damage caused by free radicals. Encourages collagen production, which helps tighten the skin. This will also helps to control excess oil that can make pores appear larger, and reduces pigmentation and improves overall skin texture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay radiant and confident.